7 years into my podcasting journey, I've realized something kind of uncomfortable. Most people aren't failing at bikepacking because they're weak, under gear, or inexperienced. They're failing because no one ever told them what actually matters. This series exists because I've made almost every mistake you can make, and I keep seeing the same ones out there on the trail. This is the Bikepack Adventures Podcast, and this is a new limited series called Bikepacking Essentials, brought to you by Panorama Cycles. Over the past 6 years, bikepacking has exploded. More bags, more bikes, more routes, more opinions. But somewhere along the way, things got complicated. People aren't necessarily asking the right questions. What bike should I buy? What bags do I need? Am I ready yet? Instead, they should be asking, what kind of experience do I actually want? I'm Chris Panaski, host of the Bikepack Adventures Podcast. I started the show because I'm endlessly curious about the people behind their adventures. Their motivations, struggles, lessons, and the stories that unfold when you head into the unknown on two wheels. Bikepacking has given me adventure, perspective, and a powerful sense of community. And through this podcast, I get to share that with riders from all walks of life. After nearly 250 episodes, I've decided to make a focused series to address certain topics. For this series, I'm not doing it alone. I'm joined by a co-host that is not only a good friend, but someone who brings curiosity, skepticism, and the kinds of questions I wish I'd asked earlier. Carl Presseault has been on the podcast many times over the past 5 years, and his own personal bikepacking journey has included everything from bikepack racing to multi-week adventures and pack-rafting with his bike. With over 20 years in the bike industry, Carl brings a plethora of technical knowledge to our discussions. Together, we're breaking down bikepacking the way it actually happens. Messy, imperfect, and deeply rewarding. Throughout these 8 focused episodes, we'll talk about how to choose routes that don't ruin your trip, what bikes and gear really matter, and what doesn't. Food, water, navigation, and decision-making when things go sideways. The mental side of bikepacking that no one prepares you for, and how to progress without burning out or chasing bigger just for the sake of it. And for the first time, we'll be recording every episode live on YouTube. That means you won't just be listening to the conversation, you get to be a part of it. You'll be able to join us in real time, ask questions in the chat, challenge our assumptions, and bring your own experience into the discussion. Bikepacking isn't something you learn from a manual, but something you learn on the trail, in the mistakes, in the stories. Recording these episodes live opens that door. The podcast will still be edited and released in its usual format, but if you want to see how the conversation unfolds and maybe help shape it, you can join us live on YouTube. If you're brand new to bikepacking, this series will save you time, money, and frustration. And if you've already been out there, this will probably give words to things you felt but never quite articulated. This isn't about riding faster or farther. It's about riding better. Episode 1 will be happening March 5th, 2026 at 8 PM EST on the Bikepack Adventures YouTube page. This is Bikepacking Essentials. See you soon.